Hi children, let us start our first lesson today. Our first lesson is Red Sloppity Lips. Red Sloppity Lips. Open your textbook page number 7. Okay, here you can see two pictures. Okay, it is a warm-up activity. Let us see what is that. Okay, look at these pictures. What kind of stories would you associate with them? See, here are two pictures like. See, first picture, it is a forest and there is a castle in the forest, right? There is a big house in the forest. And next picture, there is two people, right? They are with torch and all. Okay, see what you have to do is from group of four and form group of four and create a story based on any one of the above pictures. Share the story with your class. Actually, this activity we have to do in class, but now it is not possible to do in the class, so you have to do yourself. Okay, you have to make a story by using these pictures. Okay, this is your homework. You do it as homework. Write a story by using these pictures. Okay, let us start the lesson. Open page number 8. Okay, our lesson is Red Sloppity Lips. See, point out your finger. Victor, a young boy, was riding his bike along an old road and lost his way. He stopped and looked around to find his way back. How he wished he had brought a friend along. See, Victor, he is a young boy. Victor is a young boy. See, here you can see the picture of Victor. Okay. See, he is a young boy and he was riding his bike along an old road and lost his way. There was an old road. He was riding his bike and he lost his way. And he stopped and looked around to find his way by. He doesn't know uh, uh, through which way he wants to go and where is the right way. He lost his way and he stopped his bike and he looked around and he thought that I would have uh, he thought that how he wished he had brought a friend along too. I could have called any friend to come along with me now, along with him. Now he is alone there, right? Just then it began to rain. He pulled his jacket up over his head to help keep the rain away, but it continued to rain heavily and he became wet. His body became numb in the cold rain. Then it began to thunder, so he knew that he must find shelter quickly. Suddenly, what happened? It began to rain. It started to rain. He pulled his jacket. He was wearing a jacket. You can see in the picture here, right? He was wearing a jacket. He pulled the jacket up over his head. Why? Because he wanted to protect his head from rain, right? So he pulled his jacket up uh, and okay, he pulled his jacket up and he wanted to protect his head from the rain, and but he continued to rain heavily, but it was continuously raining. It was heavy rain and he became wet. Now he became wet and his body became numb in the cold. He was totally wet and it is too cold. He was shivering because of the cold, and then it began to thunder, so he knew that he must find shelter quickly. Suddenly he thought that I want a shelter for being for sometimes. means he want to find a house or a shelter for protecting from the rain. Right. He saw a dingy, big red house and ran onto the porch. The wind began to howl and blew so hard that it drove the rain onto the porch, soaking Victor even more. Then wind had blown open the house door, so he went inside to get out of the rain. The house was very large, and though it was abandoned, dirty, and full of cobwebs, it kept Victor dry. What happened? He saw a dingy big red house, ran onto the porch. There he saw a big house. It was a dingy. Dingy means dark and dirty. There is no light and it is dirty. And also it was a big house and it is in red color. He saw that house there, and what he did, he ran to that porch of the house, and it started to blow the wind. Wind is blowing again. These raindrops are coming to the porch again. He is getting wet. He is getting wet and it is getting more cold. And what happened? Again the wind blow very heavy. The house door is opened because of the wind. And so he went inside to get out of the rain. The house was very large and though it was abandoned. See, on porch also rain drops are coming. So what he did, he went inside the house and he saw that it was a large house and very large, and though it was abandoned. What is mean by abandoned? Left and no longer wanted, used or needed. It was no longer used. It was not longer used by anyone. That house. It was not used by anyone, and it is a large house and dirty, full of cobwebs. It kept Victor dry, full of cobwebs. Means that a spider net is there, no cobwebs. That is cobwebs. Okay, it is full of cobwebs and it was looking very dirty. A big gust of wind blew in the door and then back out again, slamming the door shut. Victor tried to open the door, but the rain had caused the door to swell and he could not open it. Again, what happened? Again, one big wind came and it closed the door. Now, Victor is inside the house. Right? Victor is inside the house. Again, one big wind blown and it closed the big house door, and Victor is alone in the house. Just then he heard a voice call out, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers?" Suddenly he heard a sound. What is that? Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers? He heard a voice. Next to the door was a large green hairy monster with huge red lips, pointed fangs and gangly legs and arms with very long green fingernails. Victor panicked and ran down the hall. The monster followed. Suddenly he saw there, near the door, who is there? There is a monster. You can see the picture of monster here in your textbook, right? See, he saw there is a large monster, big monster is there. How it is looking like? It is green hairy monster. It is having full hair on the body, and that hair is in green color. Okay, and it is having huge red lips. Big red color lips are there. You can see in the picture. Okay, and pointed fangs. Fangs means two sharp teeth here and here. Sharp teeth, long teeth are there, and arms with long green fingernails, and it is having long nails on its fingers. And the Victor panicked and ran down to the hall. Victor got frightened, and Victor ran down to the hall. The monster followed. Monster also ran back to Victor. He wanted to catch him. Monster wanted to catch Victor. Who is there? There is a big monster with a full of green hair on its body, full of green hair, and big red lips it has, and long fingernails. It is a monster. Monster wanted to catch Victor. Okay, and let us see monster will catch Victor or not. Okay, let us see that in next class. Okay.